Let's face it, when it comes to running an auto shop, the old way of doing business is, well, old. Messy schedules keep customers waiting, missing parts leave jobs hanging, and the paperwork never stops piling. You need something to stop the madness and drive your business forward. You need AutoLeap. AutoLeap is the most user-friendly shop management software to help you organize, manage, and grow your business. Track schedules, draft estimates, order parts, manage your team, and get paid. With AutoLeap, you can seamlessly communicate with your team and your customers. With just a few clicks, create estimates with built-in labor guides, diagrams, and parts ordering to get the job rolling. AutoLeap's digital inspections build customer trust and keep them in the know while helping you build order size. And digital signatures mean they can give you a quick thumbs up. And now for your favorite part, getting paid. Send professional invoices in just 2 clicks and get paid faster with text to pay and email to pay. Oh, and accounting has never been so easy. AutoLeap talks directly with QuickBooks, so your books are always up to date. What does all this mean? A 5-star customer experience. And AutoLeap easily turns your happy customers into Google reviews, so that everyone knows you're the real deal. So if spending more time doing what you love sounds better than being trapped in the madness, what are you waiting for? Take a leap. Request a demo today.